Hello,
Do you
team.
speak English? Hello.
Hello.
Hey guys.
Okay, go A maybe.
Okay, let's go in.
Move, my friends.
Yeah. These people seem nice. Elite strats. And then I die because there's one down mid. One down mid. I'm cracking my knuckles to make me better at this game. All skins, no skills right here.
Sorry.
Don't worry, man.
Okay. Eco, please.
I think it's counter-terrorist map, right?
Kind of.
Saying it's
Yes
counter-terrorist
or no? I
implies a
didn't
lot.
understand, sorry.
I'm not sure. I think so.
It's CT map, yeah.
Okay,
Nice.
so let's win.
Nick, have you got a small ween?
No man.
Okay. He just
No.
kills me, that's fine.
Teammates, why? Why? Why?
I am throwing a grenade.
Teammates, please. Well, get right. Guys, rush.
On
One guy
behind.
banana. Two banana.
Two banana. What's he doing? He knows there's one banana, so he's going to run banana.
Back.
Wait, did they all have proper guns?
Most of them. Unlucky. Oh my god. He just shot his friend.
It's AK time.
Okay, go B again.
Did you
I'll
for
rush
real
in
now?
first.
Hey.
I said I'll rush in first.
Come on,
Me and you entry fire.
That Mac 10 rush is my favourite.
No man, you can go back it up with a single shot AK man.
I'm getting grenade.
I got hit point blank in the face. Oh my god, all my bullets went over his head.
There's one cement bags.
Dude, please tell me you saw what I saw.
No, I wasn't watching.
A bomb, right? Our teammate died, and as the bomb got projected from our teammate... Oh my god, that guy is just the worst. He's team killing. Like, everybody. Anyway, as the bomb got projected from our teammate, the CT threw an incendiary. It bounced off of the bomb and saved our life.
Wow.
One sec, man.
You don't have gun. Ah, okay.
Dude, his mic is so bad. He's quite far away from bomb. Scary.
He is currently top fragging.
This
But-
guy.
Yeah. But the
Yeah, that's
choice
okay.
is, can he do it?
I'm bottom fragging, which is kind of embarrassing.
It's a 1v2.
Every time I record, I seem to bottom frag.
There's a kill. Can he stick another one?
If he can, then it, well... Nice.
If only he'd
Nice.
done that a bit sooner.
I
Sorry,
forgot.
too late.
Don't worry.
Okay, okay.
Well, at least they have to buy now, so. Nah, I don't want the bomb.
You just made the money fucked, so it's good.
Okay, thanks.
Well,
I'm friendly.
Orange and I were just throwing the bomb to one another.
I'm sorry. Me and you just drop.
Flashbang!
We're the real MVP. MVP every day.
No wonder I'm bomb fragging. What's this guy doing?
What, NL Showtime?
Yeah.
No idea.
On banana.
Never run a gun with the AK, guys. Please don't. No, why?
Unlucky. Guys, you need to call out more, because every time you die, you're just staying silent.
We have to win.
What did he say?
We have to win. Like,
Yes.
what's that?
Alright.
Guys, we are weak. Don't be afraid.
Smoke!
And don't rush. It's dangerous on this map.
Okay, I'm back.
Alright. We just got life lessons from this guy.
Well, I didn't.
I did.
Well,
Nice.
Go. Orange, go.
no. No, I'm dead. One guy mid.
And balcony.
Alright. Don't rush is dangerous on this map. I've been top fragger because I only rushed on this map. Oh dude, he's doing decently. I'm just spraying after him now.
Okay. He's still currently top franking. Will he be able to pull it off? A 1v4. He's got 3 kills under his belt already this round. Only one guy stands between him and victory.
I don't,
Ooh.
unlucky.
I'd be an amazing commentator.
My bad, sorry.
I'm joking. I
Did you hear
wouldn't.
that screech in the background? It sounded like he was just being like abducted.
Yeah. Guys, rush A.
May we be safe from evil.
Hey, we be safe from evil. Please.
What is up with my ping? What?
Loving the 131, man.
I'm not.
Grenade!
It's gone down to 50
I'll
again.
throw in a flashbang.
Did your team flash me?
Grenade out!
One is on banana.
Bum,
Grenade!
bum, 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 bum,
Go
bum,
have the,
bum, bum, bum. Shh.
the violet. Showtime on your left. Left.
Throw in a flashbang!
One guy's on banana.
Oh, brilliant. Last is on site. Yeah,
Go
so
on, go to A.
Brilliant.
dude, just go straight to A.
No.
Plant there. To your right,
Plant there.
There. Yes.
Shit, I can't plant that, man.
Dude, you should be able to.
Well, it won't let me.
I am throwing smoke.
Nice.
Good job.
Oh, dude, you got a quad.
Oh really?
It's real.
I killed one guy at the
You see,
beginning.
guys, it's so easy. I just
Okay,
have to die
go
first.
A again.
Yeah, go away.
Go, go, go.
How have I only got one MVP?
However,
'Cause-
like, dude, don't worry, I'm bottom fragging.
Throw in the smoke.
What? It rejected my smoke. Yeah, I guess it doesn't want me to smoke marijuana.
Yeah.
Throw in a flashbang.
Oh shit. He's to the right of apps.
One on balcony, I think.
That's what I meant.
What? I never saw
balcony.
that guy. Yeah, no, I looked up on
Yeah,
balcony.
dude, this
but I
guy
didn't
just
see-
looked at him. Oh god.
He was doing so well before.
This guy looks like he's never used a mouse before.
10 HP.
But this guy.
Yeah, no, the other guy.
They are both low.
Well, he was the one top
Low
fragging.
flag. Level.
Yes.
Unlucky.
Sorry.
I've got the arrow.
Can you drop me Mac 10?
Let's go.
Oh shit.
Thank you.
We can win.
He ran in front of it and picked it up. I'm so sorry.
It's map port city.
I'm just gonna hang round him.
Yeah. Oh great, my ping's starting to go up again.
One guy's inside. Apps. Going downstairs.
Got him.
Nice.
He's down.
I am throwing a flashbang.
One is in the ground.
That's true.
Fucking hell. One is on site. He heard his footsteps.
Yeah, I know. I didn't mean to donate 2 weapons.
You only have to donate 1. And I did it again.
Well, now I don't have any money, so
I'm sorry.
it's okay.
Move it, move it.
Go B, please.
If we lose this, I will be surprised.
Flashbang.
Oh shit, not
Oh
again.
god. Damn. One guy's sandbags.
One guy's banana. He had
Go
the
A,
shot.
Yeah.
30 HP.
He had the shot and he didn't take it.
What, NL Showtime?
No, the other guy.
And for a 2 back.
Come back.
The man of the silver guy. I'm only gonna buy AWP. This is probably a bad idea.
Dude, can you drop me?
Really?
Yes, really.
I have literally 0 money, dude.
Yeah, man. Drop me Mac 10.
Fuck off.
No.
You said it was fun.
Oh.
Flash.
Go alone. I will defend.
One is near boiler. No, this was a. I think this is a good idea.
One is coming from Nana.
There's an up, where I died. I think the up was a good idea.
Okay, teammate did pick it up.
What he did or didn't.
Did.
Nice.
We win. You may be safe.
Yep, yep, yep. So that's a run. Nice.
That smiley face, though. You proud of me?
We have to win eight rounds now, 7 rounds.
We can do it.
Okay, go mid.
Wait, how many games do you have to win?
7.
Lol. They're kicking him because of his lag.
Tagged him.
Oh, I'm completely flashed.
One more flash.
Oh, right. I realized I was looking away.
Banana.
Back. Second mid. Second mid. Nice.
I knew I should have asked him for the up. 2 banana. One's at log stack. I think that's what it's called.
Where?
In banana. This is why he gets the most frags. It's because he's the last one alive. That's all it is.
I know, that's the most annoying thing I don't like about this game.
No, but
It's like,
this dude as well. He just wanders around the back and then does nothing, then complains that we're losing.
wait, he's been complaining?
Yeah, he's saying we have to win. We have to win, hasn't he? But he hasn't been doing anything to help.
Mm. Jamie, can I commend you again?
I don't know. Can you?
Yes. Oh no, I can't. God damn.
My bad, sorry, that was so bad for that.
Okay.
Yeah, that was really bad. Jesus Christ.
Oh,
Okay, go banana.
really? Auto snipe, please.
Oh yeah, I'll take up. Okay, never mind.
No, I was asking. Yeah.
Go banana, I will protect.
Hopefully the bot had a weapon. No, of course not.
One guy banana. Another guy. Nice. Good job, man.
Nice.
By the way, always check behind you. Like,
Yeah, I know. We've got
There's
this.
just a gap.
Planting.
Like, there's a gap in the wall. Gap in the wall.
I doubt he's AFK.
Check dark.
So it says that.
I think I saw something. I'm not sure, but you know.
Flashbang!
Sorry, I'm flashing. It wasn't you.
I'm dead.
Who are you watching?
Okay, escape.
All of you.
Can't be watching all of us.
They can't stop the bomb now.
Aha! Oh. There's no one there.
I generally saw another one of them left, but no. Jamie, we're legends.
Okay, go B again.
Go B again?
Okay.
No!
Let's go, let's go.
What makes you say we're legends? Nicholas?
Throw in smoke.
Nothing. I always had this dream, man.
This sound kind of gay.
Don't, man. It completely is.
Like a fucking ninja. Looks like he just jumped and committed suicide.
Okay, go B.
Throw in a flashbang.
Just
Hey, Snake.
quick check. We're good. Go.
Ah, B19. Be careful.
Turn your mic
Come
off, please.
Come on.
Dude, that was so loud. Do you want me to
Please no
flash?
pull out the orange.
Yeah.
Why are you playing
Wait.
Crystal?
Wait.
I am throwing a flashbang.
Wait.
Fucking killed him before you even took a shot, friend.
I am throwing smoke. I am planting the bomb.
Nice.
Oh! Okay. Please kill him. Nice.
Good job.
Nice. My dead body.
If you have an M4, please give it to me. I will give you an AK, okay? Please.
He wants it, Nick.
I need the M4, man. I can't use any other gun.
Okay.
You sound so upset.
Those
Okay.
Take it out.
That's nice.
I'm sorry to do it, but I cannot use any other gun.
That's kind of bad, dude.
I know. Like, it's a 50-50 chance, because I wouldn't trust myself with an AK, and I wouldn't trust anybody else's life.
Grenade out.
Okay, shit, I'm bad. Okay.
Yeah.
Something
Banana,
unplugged.
one more.
One mid.
Are you dead? You alive? You good? Yeah, you good.
I'm not good, but I'm still alive.
Jamie, that's chicken. Don't shoot it.
I almost did.
I know you did.
Just so you knew I was there.
Full back, man. Okay, done.
Fuck.
What? Where was he? Oh, behind.
Unlucky.
Guys, we can do this. We can do this. 100%. We got this. The whole world knows we got this.
We can do it.
Oh, they actually. Let's just not go that way. Let's just go this way. Ow. Oh, those flash was absolutely shocking.
That was terrible.
What you about to do? One guy, arch.
Yeah, dude, just retreat. I got it. I think.
Oh god, I ran out of ammo. I was about to like start firing, but you know.
Two guys in banana.
Smoke.
One guy mid.
Dude's gonna be going balls to the wall as well.
Right.
It's annoying. Nice help, man.
Good off.
Get out!
Come on now. Now we win.
Nederlanders stinken, vieze stinkende Nederlanders.
Just gonna plug my YouTube channel. By the way, that links my YouTube channel. This video is gonna be going up.
You have a YouTube channel? Nice.
It's not very big at the moment.
No, but I think with your voice it will develop quickly.
Thank you.
One more A, please.
Nope.
Give me
I'll
the
come
name
in.
of the channel after the game, okay?
Yeah, okay.
1, 2, 3, we're going. I'm dead.
Okay, it's
Guys, it's all banana.
Yes, it's B.
Okay. I probably should have come with you.
They are low, extremely low. One had headshot.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Sorry. No.
I would post my YouTube channel, but it's dead.
Yeah.
This guy's just a stat track. What a fail.
Let's go, fellas.
Help me be.
I'll hold A by myself. Huh?
Banana. By the way, could someone boost me? Purple.
Sorry, I have key for...
Scout
it
too.
They are on B.
Fuck. No! No! Oh! What? Dude!
Did you see that?
Oh, that would have been so cool if you could have knifed him. It would have been hilarious.
Flashbang.
Showtime that position.
I really don't want this gun, man.
Take Deagle.
I'm even worse.
No, don't get that. He's on banana.
My head's off.
Don't fuck that.
Yes, Nick! I went to move my hand because I was scratching my head and I just like punched my headset off.
Oh, good job, man.
I'm not special, I swear.
I think they will rush A, so please let's go 3A.
Let's move out.
Okay. 3A, 3 go B. Purple, can you boost me again, please?
Throwing smoke.
Okay.
It's B again. One has 20 HP.
Deploying flashbang.
I'm rotating.
Please help.
Beautiful silver mind. Go to B.
Oh shit, my bad. Oh god. Kill it with fire. Just shimmer, just. I have faith, man. You're in fire, man.
Oh! Hi! That was my honest response.
They're going A.
Oh, you like this game?
No, I just need a better gun.
Grenade out.
Sorry.
These are a flash. Okay.
Be careful. Nice.
I got this, I got this. Something very cocky there.
In my porosity.
Right.
Dude,
I'm gonna
drop you.
famous this.
Fuck's sake. Give me that back. No. What are you doing? Okay.
Apparently, he stole my M4 and gave me a famous.
Lol.
Really? Just be.
Throwing flashbang.
This guy's taking it. Nice shot. Oh, that was a terrible spray.
Deploying flashbang.
He tried to chuck the bomb
What
across.
the fuck?
Go, bomb. Go, be free. Good job, man.
This dude's mic is like Senex, is very much loud and annoying.
Throwing flashbang.
He's mid.
He's
got
made
my
up good.
AK. Wait, did he take bomb?
Yeah.
Oh, dude. Ow, my leg.
Oh god, man, please. Please don't plan. Oh my god, please don't plan.
He's not planted.
He's rotated me.
Oh, shit.
Are you sure it's on B?
They checked A, so.
Yeah, must be. Must be B.
Yeah.
Yeah, see what they like.
It's a go away.
Oh,
It's not.
It's
He's dark.
Oh.
It's B. He's
Yeah,
hiding
it's
on
B.
the right side.
He won't
Go,
move.
prepare
Just
him.
just
Go,
go
go,
and
go.
save. Just go and save.
Go aim in. Aim in. Run.
And lucky.
He won't make it. Unlucky, man.
My bad.
Oh god, don't have money.
We can win.
Okay. I'll take B this time.
And Jamie, can you boost me?
Yep.
Thanks.
Like being up nice and high.
You have to go up one more.
I knew that.
Thanks, man. It's not yet.
They're mid.
Guys, I think it's mid.
Oh, I love taking them from behind.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Sam, I'm in the middle of recording. Shh. Shh. Go away.
Flashbang.
You can't join. We're in the middle of a comp match.
How long, many rounds through are you?
Very English, many wow.
Yeah.
We're gonna be a while.
BC.
What are the scores?
On kitchen.
7-12. 8-12.
Okay, probably won't be that long then.
Yeah. So just quiet.
Okay.
Do you want this G?
I'm just gonna read my German for Kex.
What?
No.
Sam, you're reading Mein Kampf again.
That's a good point.
Dude, you'll be able to mute your mic actually since you like.
Let me know.
Thanks.
Thank you, Sam, for being considerate.
Thank you for being a very British friend. Don't you want boost?
No, I'm good this time. It's B.
All of them in one mag.
Throwing a grenade.
I think that deserves a round of applause.
Wait, you're not dead?
No.
Okay.
Of course not.
One on mid, very low.
Can you save the AK, please?
Where?
Thanks,
Give me
man.
an AK, please. I need it.
Okay, fine. You have AK, man.
Nick, I'll give this guy M4.
Do you want any? What do you want?
Give that M4 to the guy next to you.
Remove any doubts in your head. It's us or them.
Do you want me to boost you this time?
Yeah. Oh god, no. Please. Please.
Maybe a-
Gavin, no. Please. Thank you.
Deploying flashbang.
Yes, it's a...
Throwing smoke.
I get a message in the corner from Sam saying Mein Kampf sold 240,000 copies.
Flashbang.
One guy apps. Two guys apps.
Alright, I'm watching it. Doing a very good job, but I'm watching it. Fucking, I'm gonna blame Sam for that.
You know what? I won't go A anymore.
No, stop.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Not you, I meant Sam.
Oh.
You're trying to tell me stuff about Mein Kampf. I don't care, I just died.
Throwing flashbang.
Oh, no. He's further in.
You go on apps.
1 second mid.
Yes, Jim. Loving the spray.
Deploying flashbang.
Thanks for that.
It's A.
No gaming.
Outside one.
Yes, Jim. Yes, Jim. Jimmy, go plant.
I'm defusing the
Jimmy, plant the bomb.
I'm planting!
Jamie, you're the true MVP. You have planted the bomb. Bomb has been planted.
Finally, an MVP, nice.
I'm no idea how to respond to that, but sure. Oh god damn! I bought a Zeus.
Use it.
You know
You
what?
can just jump off the roof.
Boost me. I'll sit on there and Zeus anybody who comes through.
Zeus. Do you know what's called a Zeus?
Cause lightning.
Yeah, Zeus is the god of thunder. And it's the stun gun.
You think the god of thunder would be a bit, you know?
Pissed off? Yeah.
No, I would have said deadly.
Zeus is deadly, dude.
You said stun gun.
3 in balcony.
Well, in this game it kills people, so.
No, it makes them twitch uncontrollably.
Oh, they die.
Apartments.
Twitch.
Die.
Plant.
Oh! One guy out, going out to balcony.
He's back of sight.
Yeah, so can we add this guy to
Yeah, sure, dude, do it. Add him to Wages.
how do I?
Invite him.
Yeah, how?
It's invite to group.
We can win.
Oh no, dude, ask Nick. Stop sending fucking messages.
Come on, jump.
Sorry, I hear the message come through on your end.
What?
I said I don't know, ask Nick, and I hear a message come through on your end.
I know. Ah, no, please. No fire.
Got him.
No, man, still down there.
On
One guy's second mid.
Apartments. Apartments.
Jamie, go. Rush him. Rush
I'm
him
Russian.
like Russians.
I'm Russian. I'm Russian. I'm Russian. I'm Russian.
This bet's nice.
Yes. I'm so bad.
I don't know. Amazing.
Mirage is the.
He's currently second fragging. It's a 2v1 situation. Bomb is down.
Shut up.
She's there. Good job. On your left.
Diffusing.
Oh. Why
Sorry.
would you fuse when he's dead?
If I had waited any longer, it would have exploded.
Hmm.
That's why.
Remember, this isn't the killing house.
That's why what, Jamie?
This is real
That's
life.
why I diffused instead of doing anything else.
Like, taking care of your own life.
I did.
Throwing flashbang.
He's still there, man.
Didn't do a very good job. One apps. We're gonna lose this, but I'm still gonna put it up because these guys are nice.
Might not lose it.
There's quite a high chance we will.
Well, at least we can do is draw. Well,
Yeah.
at least they can do is draw.
At least we can do. My best we can do, yeah.
Best we can do is draw. At least they can do. Oh my god.
Go.
GG, man. Good game. Hope you have a wonderful day.
Very British of you.
Is it over now?
Sam comes. Is it over now?
I've just been listening.
Oh, dude. I feel kind of bad now.
What?
I'm not. I was the highest level.
Want to see this channel?
I
Vanilla,
was the lowest rank.